Hi, this is Tom Scott CPA again. Today we're talking about tax trouble and tax secrets. Welcome back. Before we begin, I want to draw your attention to the two buttons on my blog. Click here for a free tax relief consultation, or click here to view my free tax resource library. Back to our topic of the day, tax trouble and tax secrets. Each and every year, millions of individuals and businesses find themselves in some sort of tax trouble with the IRS. Whether it is a small oversight or a large amount of back taxes, penalties, and interest due, the IRS will make sure that you are notified and that you make an effort to pay what is owed. The trouble is, many people simply can't afford to pay the taxes they owe because of the pressure of monthly expenses and bills. People are afraid the IRS will take all their income, their bank account, or their home. Don't worry, there are methods of minimizing what you're required to pay, and you will still have enough money to eat and pay bills. Sometimes nothing needs to be paid, or simply pennies on the dollar. Offer and compromise, penalty abatement, installment agreements, and currently not collectible are all programs to help the taxpayer who is in trouble. Trying to deal with the IRS on your own is like representing yourself in a court of law with no legal representation. Any information that you tell or provide to the IRS can hurt your case and cause you to pay more than you really should. Most people do not have enough knowledge of the IRS collection process or the skills necessary to submit an offer and compromise that isn't in their best interest. Many fill out forms incorrectly, overstate their income and assets, and offer too much. About 75% of the OICs are returned at the beginning due to the forms being filled out incorrectly. Of the 25% that the IRS processes, 50% are rejected due to not filling them out correctly. Experienced professionals in this area know the tricks to minimize what you would have to pay otherwise. An experienced CPA can thoroughly research tax laws and have mastered them. Experienced CPAs have advanced training, technical expertise, and financial insight to seek out and address all these tax issues. Tax secrets. A CPA and client have what's called a client-attorney privilege in these civil matters. This privilege is not solely reserved to attorneys. Tax attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents have direct lines to the IRS and the ability to immediately access information regarding your tax situation. In some cases, a portion or all of our fees are allowed by the IRS as a necessary expense in determining an offer and compromise. This will reduce your offer and saves you money. If your allowable monthly expenses exceed your monthly income, you may not be required to make any payments to the IRS while that situation remains. Your account may be classified as non-collectible while the statute of limitations continues to run. If you have tax problems, you should protect yourself by hiring a qualified tax problem specialist. We have experience and strategies in negotiating with the IRS to get you the lowest amount that you have to pay. My contact information is below. If you have a tax problem or know someone with a tax problem, please share this video or contact me. Until next time, I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.